Today marks the beginning. We're bringing high-speed internet to every corner of Karnes County, and this is just the start. We're here in Hobson, Texas to celebrate our first customer to get up and running. We're calling it an installation celebration. Hi, good morning. I'm Wesley with VTX1, and as you know, you're our first customers here in Karnes County, so we're here to celebrate you. We have some other team members, and we are excited to celebrate this milestone. Would you be able to come out and chat with us for a little bit? Of course. Awesome, thank you.
I want to welcome you guys to the VTX1 family. Thank you for choosing VTX1.
Thank you.
We know you got some choices out here, or maybe not. but we're happy that you could join us as part of our Karnes County kickoff.
And I wanted to ask, how has your service been so far, and would you recommend us to any of your neighbors?
I would recommend it. It's been reliable, the speeds have been great, and we don't have to worry about any outages.
Perfect, we love to hear it. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So be on the lookout for more to come.